Smoke them if you got them. What's going on? World Wide Web, loyal subscribers, YouTubers, guys, we're back in another 7-second share code YouTube video. In fact, we're back inside of getting started inside of the 7-second share code video 4. Guys, okay, in video 4, we're going to talk about how to take, how to import lead capture pages and thank you bridge pages into your Leads Lead membership account so that you can take those lead capture pages and or those thank you bridge pages and you can start edit them out so that they speak to your particular affiliate links inside of your funnel. Okay, guys, among other things, I'm the master of metaphors, the king of cliches, and the Aristotle of analogies. Okay, and so today's analogy, guys, I want to talk to you guys about not being able to miss what you can't measure. Okay, you can't miss what you can't measure, right? If you can't measure a particular thing, how will you won't ever miss it, right? So you got to have a little bit of skin in the game, right? As affiliate marketers, email marketers, MLMers, network marketers, JVZers, clickbankers, whatever it is you're doing, right? You got to have some skin in the game. A lot of us kind of want the things sometimes that other people may not necessarily have, but in order to get to that place, you got to be willing to do some things that other people just won't do, right? And so what I like about the 7-second share codes is it's truly a really simple and easy way to import these funnel systems, right, into your Leads Lead membership account inside of 7 seconds, right? And so it's really, really cool. And it doesn't matter what you're trying to market and promote, guys, you can do it. So guys, let's get right into the video where we're going to actually log into Leads Lead. And I'm going to show you guys, I got the share codes right here for this illustration. Right, there is the lead capture page share code I'm going to use. And here is the thank you bridge page share code I'm going to use. Now here's the other thing. I'm doing this right up the fly, guys. I just jumped on my computer. I just finished watching a little TV, sitting outside for a little while, just kind of relaxing. And I came inside, I jumped on my PC. You know, I'm just going to do it right before you out so you guys can see how simple and easy this can actually be, guys. So let's go on and log into Leads Lead. Okay, we're going to log into Leads Lead, guys. We're going to come to the left-hand side of our dashboard, and we're going to go to the Page Manager. Okay, on your left-hand side, you'll see where it says Page Builder. It's just coming on the Page Manager. Okay, now, guys, if you came through one of my funnel systems, at the bottom or somewhere on inside of the body of that website, right, that funnel system, are share codes. There are usually at least 1 or 2 share codes, at least 2, one for an existing lead capture page and the other for the corresponding thank you page. No matter what page you came through, you have the share codes to a lead capture page and a thank you bridge page. I'm just going to use my training page, but I'm going to go through this because all of the pages are pretty much the same. They all have the share codes on them. And all you guys are simply doing is standing over my shoulder watching me build these funnels out using that 7-second share code technology I like to brag about inside of Leads Lead. So when you're in your page manager, just say you want to add a new page. And you guys, let's just call this a test lead capture page. Okay, it's just a test lead capture page. Now, name your pages accordingly. Name them appropriately depending on whatever system whatever you want to name it. But make sure you name it, and when you go to upload your thank you page, you name them appropriately so they match. You know that that's the lead capture page for that corresponding thank you bridge page. If that makes sense. So if you put a title up here, right, for your reference, just go down and add a new. Okay, and so you'll see up here at the top, new page added. Next, add a new design to start. Next, add a new design to start, guys. So let's go back to my, here I go. Let's go back to my membership. All right, and I was on my training page, guys. I do this every time. You guys have to bear with me. It's just because I'm doing several things at one time, which I shouldn't be. So let's get back on the training page, guys. I got the training page in here. And we're going to jump right back on it because I want you guys to follow along, okay? I want you guys to follow along. Okay, so there we go. We're back on the training page. So now, guys, and I'm always moving stuff out of the way, too, because I don't want all this stuff in you guys' way. So we don't need this. Okay, so now that we're back on the training page, guys, let's do this. Let's go inside of Leasley. Oh, that was the training page right to the left-hand side. Let's go inside of Leasley. Now that we named that page, right? Remember? There's the new page, right? Test LLC page. So let's go back to where I'm going to grab this share code from. And you guys have a corresponding share code. I'm going to highlight that share code. I'm going to hit Control C. I'm going to go back to that page where it says add a new design to start. Remember, I added the page. Now let's add a new design to start. And I'm going to go right there. I'm going to paste that share code and hit import. Now, guys, when I did that particular lead capture page, that was the share code that I used. It now should be sitting inside of my Leasley membership area. And the way that you know whether it's active or not, if you come down here just to where I'm circling around, where it says active, you know that you're okay. Now, in any event it doesn't say active and it says inactive, just click that little radio button and it will say active. And after you do that, you can come to the page you just imported and click it, and it'll take you to the corresponding page that you just use that share code. See how there it is, guys. There's a simple lead capture page, and this is a universal lead capture page, by the way. It can be edited out to market and promote anything you want. But now you got the people coming through your lead capture page down here, and they're clicking, and they're going over to your desired destination. Okay, we just imported a lead capture page. Now, guys, let's show off. Let's go back inside of our Leasley membership. Let's go back to our page manager. And now let's add another page. This time, let's call it a test thank you page. Thank you page, bridge page. Now, name it appropriately for whatever the funnel you came through. You got the corresponding share codes. And let's add now. And you'll see, guys, there it goes, the test thank you page. Now let's run back over to our training area. I'm going to take that share code, the corresponding share code, remember? And I'm going to go back over to that page. And where it says add a new design to start, I'm going to click. I'm going to go hit enter. I'm going to enter that share code and hit import now. And guess what, guys? Just like the lead capture page we did 7 seconds ago, or maybe 8, 9 seconds ago, that test thank you bridge page says active down here. If it didn't, for any strange reason, you would click it. It says inactive. Click the little radio button. It will say active, and at which time you'll be able to click on the actual corresponding page you just imported. And there we go, guys. We just imported the thank you bridge page. Let me stop right here for a second. When you can create your own automated list building sales systems, guys, funnels, where you can start driving ad traffic into these funnels, here's what makes this such an incredibly amazing side hustle or business or whatever you want to call it. Okay, I automate everything, guys, and honestly, if I wasn't so obsessed with doing videos, I love them. This process can literally take you an hour a day, and that's on the far end. No, 2 hours a day on the far end, if that, because once your sales system funnels are all set up, all you're doing, guys, let's go back to the lead capture page, is driving traffic into your automated list building funnels, which is this, which redirects to wherever you want it to redirect to. That's it in a nutshell. That's your funnel. Your lead capture page, which redirects to your thank you landing bridge page, right? Doesn't matter what that thing is you want to market and promote is, if you can build an email subscribers list, you can make money as an affiliate marketer. You can make money as an email marketer. You can make money as an entrepreneur of any stripe, doing anything you want to do. A lot of people are sometimes they may be indifferent to email marketing because in the beginning it always seems like it's so much, but it's really not. It's really, really simple. And when I really discovered how simple it was, guys, I was embarrassed a little bit, right? Because I had put this particular process off for a while, just in terms of getting my own autoresponders with GetResponse and Aweber, and ultimately having the HBA funnel builder and Leasley. But before I started doing it, I shied away from it like most people. Don't shy away from it, people. And whether or not it's because you want some things that other people don't have or not, you just want to do something different and challenge yourself and be able to earn some decent income as an affiliate and an email marketer, then just be in this place and in this space where you're ready, willing, capable, and able of learning some things you never knew, and doing some of the things that others simply won't do. Okay, thanks for sitting in, guys. That's how easy and simple it is to import these pages. In the next video, we're going to connect these pages, guys. So I'll see you guys on that video.